CARB has released multiple prototype tools which are available today for public use. These prototypes provide an important bridge by giving access to data today and allowing for ongoing feedback. However, they do not encompass the expected features and utility of the final system. To get to the Technology Clearinghouse, search CARB Technology Clearinghouse and choose the Clearinghouse tools on the left. The first two modules, Backed and Rules, bring together data on existing regulatory requirements across the state. These tools allow users to search, filter, and compare data. For example, you could search for emergency in the Backed tool to obtain more information on emergency backup power requirements for all air districts across the state. You can then compare emissions limits graphically for selected pollutants. The graph shows multiple NOx limits for this emissions category. You can select other pollutants in the drop-down. While the tool makes information easier to understand, there is still a lot of context to be considered when comparing data, such as differences in limit units. To help better understand this data, additional information is included in the tool, along with corresponding source materials. The Rules module also contains a new prototype for CARB regulatory programs. This prototype is in early development and only contains data for CARB's airborne toxic control measures so far. Once complete, this prototype will provide one location for users to explore all of CARB's regulatory programs. Users can search using alternative names or keywords to assist in finding programs of interest. While the Backed and Rules modules describe what is required today, one primary goal of the Technology Clearinghouse is to highlight technologies that are beyond existing regulatory requirements using the Next Generation or Next Gen module. The Commercial Backup Power tool shows commercial installations of next-gen technologies across the country that are cleaner than currently required. This information allows users to determine opportunities for additional emissions reductions. These prototypes provide immediate value. However, we envision substantial improvements in the final Technology Clearinghouse system. The final system will bring together all of these prototypes into one consistent environment with improved features, speed, and user experience.